What's up everyone, Jake here in Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have three Finnair A350-900s to unbox and review. I picked up the entire sort of NG release collection and I'm super excited to have all three of these models. We have the plain livery, the Marimekko Kivit livery, and then the Oneworld livery right there. Super excited to have all of these. Let's get right on into it. We're gonna start with the Oneworld. Actually, we'll start with the regular livery and then we'll work our way kind of around ending with the Oneworld aircraft. So I'll pull these other two off to the side. We'll get right on into it. So this one and the Marimekko Kivit livery were released together, and then the Oneworld was released after. Super excited to finally have a Finnair aircraft in my fleet. It's been so long since I've wanted to get one of these, as they've flown to LA for a while. Originally, I believe it was the 330. What was it? I think it was the 330 that flew to LA back in the day, but then when the 350s came, they started flying, and just no one's made one until NG's finally done it. I'm super happy to have this. So let's get right on it. Here's the box. Pretty simple, but I was, pretty nice for NG. We'll get right on into it. Another collector's card. Put that off to the side. So yeah, guys, I love how NG does kind of like the whole collection, or at least all the different liveries for an airline. I regular, then you got the special, and then you have all the specials, which was nice. Here we go, trying to get it out of this. Just being very careful. It's quite stuck in here. There we go. Ooh, beautiful. Very, very nice. Looking really good there. Alright. Very nice, guys. Alright, here we have it. Take this off to the side. Alright, the first one here. We'll take a look. Alright, starting off here at the front, got the a little bit of dust there. Alright, we got the nose here looking really, really nice. NG's mold is fantastic. Gear doors looking great there. Have WE right there, Whiskey Echo on the gear door. All the details around there. You have the L1 door looking really nice. Big, bold Finnair titles across the fuselage looking really nice. All the static ports and stuff right there looking really good. You have the antennas, L2 door, and the little Oneworld logo next to that. Which is interesting that they don't have it next to the L1 door, but they have it next to the L2 door there. The beautiful Rolls-Royce engines looking really nice there. You can see that they're slightly hollow there. Very nice. Good detail though. Moving along, L3 door and antennas and the Wi-Fi dome at the top there. Wings looking really nice. You got the little Finnair. Oh, let's see if it'll focus in on that inside the winglet there. I was hoping it would, but you can kind of see back here. It's got that little F right there, which is really nice. It's not on the outside, but the wings and winglets, there's a great shape there. Moving along, you got the registration, Oscar Hotel, Lima, Whiskey Echo, A350-900. You got the Finnish flag and then the Euro flag. Bulk bin door right there at the bottom, and the L4 door right there. Got the tail with the F on it, spinning her around. Got the cargo doors on this side. Some other good detail there. Same with the front. We'll take a look at the bottom, which is just plain. Got the registration there on the wing. Very nice though. Great details. Got the antennas and everything. Looking really nice. So that's the standard livery. We'll throw that off to the side here. Not throw it off. We'll put that off to the side. We'll pull in the Marimekko Kivit livery. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. As far as I'm aware, I am. But a very unique sort of livery. This sort of spotted pattern on it that are everything is different. I think it's based on some sort of Finnish design that I looked up, and it's some sort of stones or something that's kind of like stone pattern or something. Very interesting. Great box art. Very nice, very unique. We'll go ahead and open it up. The little card there that came out. Alrighty, awesome. These are really all stuck in here, Jesus. Yay. Oh god. Yikes. This is interesting. It's really stuck into this, so I'm gonna have to maybe like try and pop it out the bottom or something. There we go. Very careful. There we go. Looking really nice. Alright, there we go. Put this off to the side. Alright, here we go. So interesting how the actual livery, like this part is actually like blue, but this on the box is like a grayish color. I'm not sure why they did that, but yeah, anyway. Zooming in here, same nose, the front, same details as the standard livery. This one's registration, you see WL, so it's Whiskey Lima on this one this time. Got the titles, the Oneworld logo there, the antennas, the engines looking really nice. Wings and everything. Then we kind of move out down here. We got this pattern design on the back, registration, Oscar Hotel, Lima Whiskey Lima, A350-900, Finnish flag, and a Euro flag, European Union flag. Very nice, you know, looks pretty nice. I love how, as I say, all these are very unique. They're not identical circles. They're all different shapes, and I think they've replicated that really good in this livery. But very nice there at the back. I could have sworn there was something else with it, but maybe not. You got the there's a bulkhead door on the other side, and you have the cargo doors on this side. So very nice. Not much more to go over with that one, but still really cool. All right, and then last but not least, we'll put this aside, and we'll get the Oneworld one in here. And here we have it. So Finnair is also a Oneworld member. This is a really nice sort of special livery on the A350. Looking really nice. Great box art. So I love how it's stuck up in there. Got that out there. I really love how NG does these or do these releases where, you know, they have everything. They cover all the models. They cover all the different specials and etc. Kind of how they've been doing with the Qatar Airways models. Oh, this one pops right out. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect. 3 for 3 on awesome A350 models. Love to see it. Alrighty. Alright, here we go, guys. So very nice. This one's obviously got some nice, big, bold Oneworld titles. Got the lovely detail in the cockpit, around the cockpit as always. Whiskey Bravo on the gear door there. With the Oneworld logo right there next to L1, and then the member of Oneworld, Finnair, smaller Finnair titles. L2 door with no little Oneworld logo there. On the antennas and everything, the engines, the wings, L3 and L4 door, and the registration, Oscar Hotel, Lima Whiskey Bravo, with the good old Finnish flag and the European Union flag. Bulkman door there. And there's just a piece of dirt there. And we'll spin around, take a look behind, very nice. And on this side, bits of dust particles. It's not bad. And yeah. Very nice model, guys. So if you could get any of these, I highly recommend them. This mold is fantastic. This and the Aviation 400 are spot on. Love them. The nose shape I think is a little bit better on this one. But yeah, anyways, these are some fantastic models, so we'll go ahead here and try and get them all in frame. And bring them all in here. And there we have it, guys. These 3 fantastic Finnair models. Super excited to have all 3 of them. Great variety to switch in and out in future airport updates and whatnot, whenever that happens. But yeah, guys. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more model unboxing review videos, as well as other content. Smash that subscribe button and that like button. And stay tuned for more videos, guys. Take care. See you in the next one.